Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading to Styx River MX, and it is cold today. Very cold. I mean, it's so cold we have ice. It's cold. So I got a bunch of layers on. I don't look like it, but I do. Don't worry, I'm staying warm. But yeah, we're gonna get on the road. I got a couple things to finish loading up, which is really just my gear. But other than that, we're gonna get on the road. We're heading to, like I said, we're going to Styx River MX, which is pretty fun, but a little bit of a drive, but it's worth it. So I'm gonna finish loading up, and then next time you see me, we're gonna be at Styx River. Alrighty, guys, so we just got here. If you don't know Styx, this is pretty cool. What they do is they're open 7 days a week, all week, and they prep the track Saturday and they let it go the entire week. So today's Monday, so we got 2 days worth of lines built into the track. So it looks pretty good. A lot of lines are built in from what I can see just from walking. So we're gonna see. It's gonna be a good day. We just got here. We're parking now, so I'm gonna get unloaded. I'm gonna get dressed, get ready, and next time you see me, we're gonna be heading out and doing our site lap because some people don't do it. I'm just kidding. Ooh, it's cold. Cold morning. Oh, this gear's so tight. Alrighty, back at Styx. This is a fun track, and the line's built in pretty easy. Because last time I was here, I built a couple lines. So, wow, that lift is destroyed. Our accelerators come all up the face of that big jump. Braking bumps. Whoever was here got this track tore up. Definitely got a lot of roughness from the past weekend. That's all right. We're gonna work around it. long on that, but it's good. It's got a lot of pop. Last time you kind of had to hit that like a speed drill, but now it's got some pop. So, and it's called My Face. It's cold. I forgot to bring my face mask with me, but it'll be alright. It should warm up. It's supposed to get like to the 50s later, but it's pretty good.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
That's peaky.
Yeah, there's a lip on that. And then going up, there's a lot of bumps going up the face, so yeah, I went a little long on it.
I seen it was peaky. I was wondering.
I was like, well, that's a little far. Alrighty guys, we're heading back out. Took a little break, so floater now. You just like drop. Try this outside here. Whoa! Wasn't expecting all those lines to be there. it down. Right when I'm slowing down, that's when he pulls out again. That's what it is every time. I should have been ready for that. It'll be alright. We'll got him next time. We're taking a break because my hands hurt. Woo! Alrighty, ladies and gents, it is the last moto of the day. We're just gonna go have fun. I don't know how hard I'm gonna push it, probably not very hard just because it's the last one, I'm tired.
Back on the inside of the braking box. I don't. Starting to hurt. Not sure why, but it hurts. That's gonna do it. That's gonna do it. I'm done. We had a good day. Yeah, plus my back is randomly starting to hurt. So one last time. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button. And as always guys, remember to do your side lap. I'll see you next time.